Are you constantly frustrated at finding people parked in your parking spot, whether it's at your office or home apartment building, hotel, commercial office or visitor, EV charging or disabled parking bays in your building? At ThatsMySpot, we've made it our mission to solve your parking stress, to make sure that your parking spot is reserved for you when you need it. We've got a range of clever parking bollard solutions ranging from simple, folding manual parking bollards to clever remote control operated parking bollards, and then to our more sophisticated smartphone parking bollards, which you operate from your smartphone and can easily share with family and friends. This is our remote control parking bollard, the super robust and sturdy TMS APL2. It's designed to streamline your parking convenience, making your parking seamless, smooth and easy with the touch of a remote control. So with a simple click, you can effortlessly lower your parking bollard to drive into your spot. And when you leave, just click the remote again to raise your parking bollard up, keeping it secure for when you return and prevent anybody else from parking there, all from the convenience of your driver's seat. Our remote control parking bollards come in two sizes, standard at 400mm and extra tall at 500mm, for when you need it with those extra pesky parkers, those much bigger four-wheel drives and vans. You can always buy more remote controls to pair with your parking bollard, just in case you have visitors or that long-term relative coming to stay. All our parking bollards are surface mounted and BCA compliant, and they run off rechargeable batteries. So it means you don't need to hardwire anything, and there are very minimal fixings to install. And that's especially important for strata buildings. We offer installation services or instructions for doing it yourself. Are you ready to take back control and transform your parking experience? Get in touch with us and we'll solve your parking hassles, making your life so much happier and stress-free around parking. Give us a call at 1300 644 533 or reach out to us on our website at thatsmyspot.com.au.